Hey guys, it's Philip from Bolter Design Co. and today is an awesome day.
Everything is awesome.
We got a new package in the mail from Holbein, and if you know how much I love using their art supplies, this is something really special. I am looking forward to seeing what's in this box, and I wanted to open it in front of you guys. Now, this isn't a paid promotion. This was simply a gift because they know how much I love using their art supplies. Let's get right into it. I'm too excited to check this out. Okay, let's open this up. To me, it's a little Bolter. This. Whoa, a color sheet that they sent me, so maybe a little bit more precise colors so when I go shopping. Let's see what this is. It's another one for their artist wash, which is my favorite. This might come in handy for some of the colors I want to use later on in my art. Oh, here we go. It's pretty cool. Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
This is it. This is the artist wash that I like to use. These sets are nice and heavy.
Whoa, this is heavy.
You can tell this is quality paint. We got another Holbein artist wash, traditional colors of Japan, autumn. Oh, they all have seasons. Okay, so this one was winter, and this one is autumn, which is clearly my favorite because that is my daughter's name. First one was summer. So we got summer, winter, autumn, and I'm guessing this is spring. Oh, wow, awesome. I love the designs of these boxes too. Oh, something's right here. These, all right, we have acrylic ink. This is a super opaque black acrylic ink. And this one is a super opaque white. Like, their whites are already super opaque. How much more could they make these opaque? Okay, we have these acrylic inks. Those are gonna be fun to use. Let's see what's in this. Let's see what we got here. We got the Holbein acrylic wash, 12 colors in this set. This is gonna be really fun to use. And we got another set. This is the Holbein acrylic wash, 18 colors in this set. So, oh my gosh, that is, how many colors is that? That's 30 colors of acrylic wash. Oh my gosh, what a nice gift. Thank you, Holbein. Now that we've seen everything that's inside the box, let's take a peek inside and see what these colors look like. So here's the traditional colors of Japan winter set. Here's the tubes and here's the paints. So we have, here's your crimson. I could either make a color sheet for myself or I could just refer to the color sheet that was given to me. This is exciting. The spring set looks really cool. Look at these colors next to each other though. Like, this is like clearly like got a winter vibe to it, like a very blue tint to it, like something that you would feel like a winter scene. This is a lot more warmer that you would see with a spring scene. I'm gonna guess that's the same with autumn. Oh yeah. So autumn has a lot of nice warmth to it as well. This is a little bit more bright and green with its hue, it looks like. This is a lot more warmer and red to me. And let's see what this summer set looks like. Yeah, and this is again kind of bright, saturated with their colors. It gives me a very bright summery feeling. So this is a really cool idea that they did with their paints, where they kept them very similar to what the seasons look like. Well, there you go. Thanks for sticking around and hanging out and watching me unbox this awesome gift from Holbein. Thank you again, Tim over there at Holbein. Holding it down, send some artists some free art supplies. It's amazing. I can't wait to check out these seasonal sets and show you what kind of paint is in this. Everyone always asks me where they can pick up Holbein for themselves. I always mention, Dick Blick because we have a couple around here in San Diego that I love to go to. It's my store, my go-to store. So when I was talking to Tim, I mentioned that my first job that I ever had was at Michael's Art Supplies. And he mentioned to me that this is something that will be available at Michael's. If you're looking for it, try Dick Blick, try Michael's. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one that you would like to see the most. On my next video, I plan on sharing with you on YouTube. I'm going to be doing one of these seasonal palettes and using them for some flowers. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you want to see next. And let's get into this, right? I can't wait. I can't wait to use these. These are gonna be so rad. All right, see you on the next one. Thank you for sticking around and like and subscribe.